She's 71 years old, and she still sets an alarm for 6 a.m. Not because she wants to, because her Social Security check doesn't cover the mortgage. Her name is Carol Whitfield. She spent 32 years as a dental hygienist in Columbus, Ohio. Steady job, steady paycheck. She thought that was enough. It wasn't. And here's the strange part. Carol isn't the exception. She's the rule. Financial counselors across the country have been asking retirees the same question. If you had 5 minutes with your 30-year-old self, what would you say? The answers are almost identical. Different cities, different careers, different paychecks, same regret. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is and exactly how to avoid it, starting today. Carol didn't ignore money. She just didn't think about it early. In her 20s, retirement felt like something that happened to other people. Old people, someday people. So she waited. At 30, she told herself she'd start next year, once she got a raise. At 40, she told herself the same thing. By 50, she finally opened a retirement account. She put in what she could. It felt responsible. It felt like enough. It wasn't. Because here's what nobody explained to her. The 10 years you wait matter more than the 10 years you save. $1 saved at 25 is worth roughly 4 times more by retirement than $1 saved at 45. Not because of luck, because of time. Compound interest needs decades to work its quiet magic. And Carol only gave it 15 years. She's not alone. Financial researchers estimate that a large share of American adults are behind on retirement savings for their age group. Not reckless, not careless, just late. And lateness, it turns out, is expensive. Now here's where it gets heavier. Carol assumed Social Security would cover the basics: rent, groceries, a little breathing room. The average Social Security check today is a little over $2,000 a month. Sounds okay, until you look at the numbers around it. Average rent in America hovers near $1,600 a month. A typical mortgage payment, before taxes and insurance, is close to $2,000. So, if you're depending on that check alone, you're not living, you're surviving. Barely. Carol found this out the hard way. Her mortgage was paid off, which helped, but property taxes went up, home insurance went up, and then came the part she never planned for. Her knees started failing, arthritis, then a hip replacement, healthcare. A 65-year-old retiring today can expect to spend well over $150,000 on healthcare costs throughout retirement, and that number doesn't even include long-term care. For women, because they tend to live longer, the number climbs even higher. Carol didn't have a number in mind. She just had a credit card. And that's regret number 2. The one almost nobody talks about until it's too late. Debt doesn't retire with you. Car payments. Medical bills charged at 20-something% interest. A loan she took out years ago to help her son with a down payment. All of it followed her into her 70s. She thought paying off the house meant she was free. She wasn't. So what changed for Carol? Not a lottery ticket. Not a miracle. A conversation. Her granddaughter, Maya, 24 years old, working her first real job as a medical billing coordinator in Charlotte, North Carolina, sat down with her one Sunday afternoon. Maya had just gotten her first paycheck. Her grandmother told her one thing: open a Roth IRA. Today, not next year. Maya listened. She started putting away just $80 a month, not a huge number. Barely noticeable in her budget. But here's the part that matters. If Maya keeps that up, adding a little more as her income grows, earning an average return of around 7% a year, by the time she's 65, she could be looking at several $100,000. From $80 a month, that's the quiet power nobody explains clearly enough. It's not about being rich, it's about being early. And if her employer matches retirement contributions, even a small percentage, that's not a bonus. That's free money she'd be foolish to leave on the table. Carol watched her granddaughter start where she wished she had, and instead of bitterness, she felt something else. Purpose. She started talking to other seniors in her building, sharing what she wished someone had told her, not lecturing, just warning them gently, the way you'd warn someone about ice on the sidewalk. Here's what Carol, and thousands of retirees like her, want you to know. Start now, even if it's small, especially if it's small. Protect your health, because your body is the one asset that affects every other asset you own. Pay down debt before it multiplies. It doesn't disappear on its own. It waits. And build a real plan, not a vague hope, an actual number on an actual page that tells you where you're going. Carol still gets up at 6 a.m. some days, but now it's a part-time job she chose, at a dental office 2 mornings a week, teaching younger hygienists the way she once was taught. It's not the retirement she imagined, but it's hers. And she's not hiding from it anymore. If there's one thing to take from her story, it's this. The earlier you plant the seed, the bigger the shade you'll sit under later. Waiting doesn't protect you. It just quietly costs you. If this hit home, and you want simple, honest videos about money, saving, and building real financial freedom, that's exactly what we do here at Money IQ Pro. Stick around. What's one financial lesson you wish someone had told you at 30? Tell us below.